Well, hello and welcome again to Clean Nuts. Today we're talking about alloy wheels. I bought some alloys that were in a bit of a sorry state, some Minolites. They're 13-inch 6J, so they're quite wide, but very glossy. Sat around for years. Tyres were horrible. A couple of wheel spacers in there as well, and some nuts, some lug nuts. So I bought 8 wheels in total, all with horrible tyres. Loaded them all up, took them down to get the tyres taken off. So there's what they look like with the tyres off. So pretty rough. All of them look like they've been around for a million years. And the reverse side looked even worse. They're chipped, they're corroded, they're scratched, they're mouldy, they're horrible. So I took them to the shop blaster and just look at them. Unbelievable. They look brand new. I was knocked out by it. So, back from the powder coaters. What do they look like? They look amazing. Look at that. However many hours you'd spent sanding and polishing and rubbing down and painting. Look at that. Really, really pleased. Looks amazing. The letters you can read. So from this to this, and from this to this. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.